Yeah! Yeah! Come on, god damn it. Yeah! 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 I don't know if I'm in focus at all, but that doesn't matter because I'm digging my money pit now. Yeah! 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 Last day sounding like a fucking Prius. Last day sounding like a fucking Prius. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. Second video that I started when I'm leaving class. I sit in a 3-hour speech class. Half the time I don't even really know what I learned. But that's okay. I couldn't really tell you what I learned from this speech class, except to just fucking talk. But what I can tell you is we got a new exhaust coming today. I already have my front pipe. I'm just waiting for the catback to come. So we're gonna see what happens.
I'm Jason on the beat.
If you like Pina Colada, get caught in the rain. If you're not into yoga, if you have half a brain, if you like making love at midnight in the dunes on the cape, then I'm the love that you look for. Right to me and escape.
So, got the car up on all 4 jacks all around. Got my front pipe here. I'm still waiting for UPS to drop off the rest of the exhaust, my catback. So, I guess all we're gonna do now is wait. So this is the first time I've had this car jacked up, and I mean it's literally like everything's the exact same all the way back. Still, the only thing that I think is different on the 2017s, they put a spot over there, right there for the drain plug. But other than that, literally everything's the same all the way up to the overpipe. And I really don't want to have to take this plastic piece of shit off again, but I think that's what we're gonna have to do. So, probably should spray some PB Blaster on it now so I don't have to deal with it later. I hear a whole lot of trucks outside. Is that my exhaust? Not at all. I think they're here. I think it's here. Oh, he's over there. I'm here. I'm here. I'm right over here. Come back. My science is correct. UPS should be coming around that corner. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bow. Standing here waiting for this UPS guy to roll up is like, it's like when you're waiting for a pizza, right? And you're watching it be made. It's like counting down microwave seconds. Yeah. Yeah. Bring it home, baby. Bring it home. Yes. 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 Ooh. Just busted a good nut. Just one big ass piece. Oh, gotta get some leverage. This is just a hanger that holds the mid pipe up. that's left is to take out the 5 hangers that are holding it up. And that's pretty much it. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh shit. Fuck. Cause I've been drinking and I've been smoking. Alright, so my camera's about to die, but all we have to do is get the front pipe on and the rest of this on, and that's pretty much it. Just make sure there's no leaks or anything like that, and we're good. But you already know I'm going to give you a startup from the open pipe, from the front pipe back. Whether or not you learn something from my videos, anytime you take off your old front pipe, there is a gasket right here. It's not supplied. You just take it off from your old one, hence my old one, and you just put it on the new one. So make sure you take that off. It's right here. You just pop it right off with something. So I already went through, finished up installing the mid pipe and all that because I didn't feel like you guys really needed to see that. All it needs to do is just finish everything up and we'll be good to go. Camera died. So, you look over here, my damn camera died, my light died, but we got it all done. We got that old piece of shit out, that old piece of shit out, and we got this. Ooh, sauce balls. Hold on, let me get y'all the underview. Got everything installed, and I'm pretty sure, I personally feel like this fits way better on the 2017 than it did my 2016. But let me get y'all a cold start. Y'all ready for this?